Hey, what's up? So, you see, I've been working with lots of automations and I ended up doing a lot of experimentation and I ended up learning how some nodes work because there's not much information out there. So, I'm going to show you right now how the if and the switch node they actually work so you can have a good understanding of what you can do with them so you can like explore your horizons, expand your horizons, or anything like that. So, before we begin, my name is Luar, but I don't care and I have an automation agency. So, what I've done here so I can show you. This over here is a edit fields set thing where I have a string which says hello, another string that says goodbye, and a third string that says world. What we're going to do over here. So, beginning with the if node, the simplest way for me to put it, how it works, it is you're going to make statements inside of here that are going to say if something, if or another something, or and another something is true, go to 1. If it's not true, let's say it's false, go to second route. If you look here, it only has 2 outputs. It has true and false. So if it doesn't meet, it goes to false. If it meets, it goes to true. So let's give you a more practical explanation. I'm going to start this and I'm going to say if string 1 is equal to hello, and I can add another condition that is for the same statement, and string 2 is not equal, we can put is not equal to, let's say hello again. Then if we test, this is right correctly. So hello is equal to hello and goodbye is not equal to hello. So this is true. The statement is true. So we go to the top one. Although if we switch this over here and say is not equal to, so if string 1 is not equal to hello and string 2 is also not equal to hello, then we're going to the correct one, to the true, but this is false. As you can see, because this one is hello and I'm asking for not being hello, it's false. So we go to the down route. So that's pretty simple. That's exactly how if works. Very, very, very simple node. And you can play around with these over here. You can use numbers. For example, if the input is not a text, you have to switch to number. Date and time, boolean. It depends on the way that what you're inputting in here. So you can say like object, and then you put the object exists, does not exist. So I can come to this string and say, if this string exists, so if string 1 exists, it's true. So literally, if I do not send data, it's going to go to false. But if I send any data at all, it's going to true. That's it. Very simple node. So let's delete this and let's go to the switch node, which is a little bit different. So switch node, as you can see over here, we start with just one output. But when you put add routing rule, you're going to add new output sections. Unlike the if node that you can just make other statements, this one's not about statements. You're making different outputs, which is basically how you're going to filter it using the statements. So if I want to go to route 1, I can say if string 1 is equal to hello, we go to route 1. But if you can say, for example, if string 2 is equal to hello, we go to route 2. Or maybe if string 3 is equal to hello again, then we go to 3. So as you can see, because I say that 1, 2, and 3, so if string 1, the top one over here, the 0, is if string 1 is hello, which is true, it's going to the top one. So if I start this, we go to the first output. But if I want to change this, let's say I want to use the third output over here, the one with the label 2, we can come in here. I'm going to get the hello. I'm going to take away from here. I'm going to put in string 3, because this is going to check. If string 3 is hello, then we're going to execute. So now we're going to get the output over here. Another one, very simple, but you got to understand the difference between those two. If nodes have only true or false, they are binary. The switch node, it's going to filter. It's basically a way to filter and decide which way it is going to. This is the main difference. Another thing, you see that you have the rename output here. This is pretty cool. You can say like anything. And when you see here, you have the name of the output, which is, it's nice. I like personalizing my stuff because I'm autistic. But anyways, this is the simplest way that I could explain how they work. Switch and if, they are different, as you can see. And I hope you could understand to the point that you can use them in your own automations. Very simple nodes, and I hope it really could help you. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions about n8n. Is there anything that you need help with? Literally anything. You're thinking of an automation that you don't know how to do, or maybe you're thinking and you don't know about tools that you can use for achieving a specific goal. Put everything down. I really want to make valuable content that can actually help people so they can understand n8n, they can do whatever they want. But that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and maybe I see you in the next one. So yeah, bye bye.